Welcome to Bright Academic Bee. Today, this Bright Academic Bee is going to teach you nouns. In this lesson, you will be able to learn what noun is, identify the different kinds of nouns, and use noun, number, and gender correctly. Before moving on to the nouns, let's talk about the parts of speech English has. There are 8 different types of words in English: nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. Remember, all these different types of words English has are called parts of speech. Let's begin by defining the noun. A noun is a word that functions as the name of something. It can be the name of a person, place, animal, thing, idea, or a feeling. Look at this sentence. Ali went to visit the zoo to see an elephant. Now, in this sentence, can you identify the nouns? Yes, Ali, zoo, and elephant are the nouns in the sentence. In the next sentence, honesty gives you satisfaction. Can you identify the nouns in this sentence? Yes, honesty and satisfaction are the nouns in this sentence. Look at the types of the nouns we have. We have common nouns, proper nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, concrete and abstract nouns, collective nouns, and compound nouns. We will look at each of them one by one briefly with examples. We will begin with the common noun. Common noun is a common name given to every person or thing of the same kind or class. In other words, we can say that common noun names somebody or something in general. For example, boy, city, cat, and mountain are the common nouns. Proper noun, on the other hand, is a specific name of a person, thing, etc. It is always written with the first letter capital. Look at the examples. Ali, Lahore, Mano, and Mount Everest are the common nouns. And notice that all of these examples we have, they are beginning with the first letter capital. This is why they are called the proper nouns, because these are the particular names of somebody special. Moving on, we have countable nouns. Countable nouns are the names of something we can count. They have the plural forms like book, boy, horse, and car. All of these are countable and they have the plural forms as well. Uncountable nouns, as the name uncountable suggests, that this is something we cannot count. And such names do not have the plural forms, like wood, milk, sugar, air, and honesty are uncountable nouns. Remember, all the uncountable nouns do not have the plural forms, and all these gases, powder forms, liquids, and concept and ideas are uncountable nouns. Our next type is concrete nouns. As the name suggests, that concrete is something which has the material existence. So concrete nouns are the names which have the physical or material existence, and they can be detected by one of your 5 senses or maybe more than one. Tree, apple, and book are some examples of concrete nouns which have the physical existence. Abstract nouns have no physical or material existence. They are perceived by mind rather than senses, and they refer to ideas, emotions, and concepts. For example, love, fear, freedom, and childhood are abstract nouns. Our next type is collective nouns. Collective nouns are those names which are taken together as one whole. They refer to a set or group of people or things. For example, crowd, team, army, herd, and fleet are some of the collective nouns. Compound nouns are those nouns which are made up of two or more words. Some are written as one word, some are written as two, and some with the hyphen. Look at the examples. Rainfall, son-in-law, and credit card are some of the compound nouns. Let's move to the noun gender. There are four types of gender nouns in English. Masculine gender refers to a male animal like boy, loin, Hamza. Feminine gender refers to a female animal like girl, lioness, and Sana. Common gender refers to either or both male and female. For example, student and friend. The student can be a male or female. Similarly, friend can be a girl or a boy. Neuter gender refers to neither a male nor a female. Mostly neuter genders are lifeless objects like pen and room. The noun number. There are two noun numbers in English. Singular noun refers to one person or thing like cow, bird, man, tree. Plural nouns refer to more than one person or thing like cows, birds, men, and trees. Let's recap. We did types of nouns today. First, we did common noun and proper noun. Common noun is something that names someone or something in general, whereas proper noun is the name of some particular person or place. Countable noun is something we can count. Uncountable noun is something we cannot count. Concrete noun refers to something that has a material or physical existence and can be detected or perceived by the senses, whereas abstract noun does not have the material or physical existence. Collective noun is a noun which refers to a set or group of something taken together as one whole, whereas compound noun is a noun that is made up of two or more words. I have a question for you. Think of a noun that belongs to more than three types. As I'm telling you, this is very important to know that one noun may belong to more than one type of the nouns. The quiz I have given at the end to you so that you can revise or check what you have learned today. By applying that knowledge and practicing this quiz, I will look forward to your answers in the comment section below. Thank you and have a good day.